What is going on, Dogecoin Army? How are you guys doing today? You guys have been killing it. You guys have been giving me so many views and likes in this series, and I love doing this series because I have a lot of Dogecoin and you guys have been killing it with the views and likes. So thank you guys so much for the likes. Every like helps so much, in the comments as well with the engagement. So thank you guys so much. I'm gonna keep this series going as we get closer into the peak of this bull market, and do not worry, because as we get closer, I'm gonna be giving you guys here profit taking strategies, at what price points I'm selling, and the most important thing is indicators that we are at the peak. This is going to be very, very key, because during the entire euphoria stage of the market, you have to be level-headed, and it's all about psychology and controlling your emotions, because it doesn't seem like it yet, but it's going to seem like it's never going to stop going up. Okay, that's how it's going to seem like. And I'm going to keep you guys here level-headed. Me in my videos in my channel, I'm going to keep you guys level-headed and logical, right? Because you don't want to be emotional when we're at $2 plus Dogecoin and you got people out here saying, oh, we're going to 425 and all that stuff, and that could be the peak of the market and you didn't take any profits. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm going to keep you guys here. And of course, join the free Telegram. When I'm not live, when I'm not making videos, I'm in the free Telegram. It's in the pinned comment. But let's take a look here at Dogecoin. As Dogecoin, we were just above 20 cents again, but we're slightly under 20 cents. The good thing is that Bitcoin is above 71K here. All right, we are above 71K, coming down just a little bit. But there's a chart here that I haven't talked about yet in my Dogecoin update videos, and that is the Dogecoin Bitcoin pair. And if you guys have a ton of Dogecoin and you're keeping up to date with everything what's going on with Dogecoin and the time to sell, you have to. This is probably the second most important chart besides Dogecoin. Okay, and I'm not even exaggerating. The reason why is because this is Dogecoin compared to Bitcoin, and we can see that since the peak here for Dogecoin, we just been on this really ugly downtrend. That's because Bitcoin is doing much better than Dogecoin. Okay, Bitcoin is outperforming Dogecoin ever since Dogecoin peaked up here. Okay, so this is all this chart is. It's just showing the difference between Bitcoin and Dogecoin. And what I'm liking here, and what I'm taking a look, what I'm keeping my eyes on here, guys, is this key level. If we come down to this key level, you know, and the thing is, we can come down to this key level without Dogecoin dumping. I want you guys to understand that Dogecoin does not need to dump back down to 12 cents for us to come down here. Because what's going to happen, what I believe is going to happen, is Bitcoin is going to have a God candle. It's going to be the first mover. And Bitcoin being the first mover, right? We go to 89K, 90K, 100K. Even if Dogecoin goes to like 25 cents, 28 cents, or stays where it's at right now, this chart is gonna dump. Okay? Because Bitcoin is outperforming Dogecoin. This is what this chart's basically about. So if that happens, and maybe Dogecoin is still at the same price level, 19 cents, even if it falls down a little bit, if it comes down to this level again, right, we might see something like this, which was last pre-bull market, where we just have this ugly downtrend. And this, a big reason for this is Bitcoin just outperforming Dogecoin. But then out of nowhere, right, look at that candle, and then another huge candle. So, and of course, this is gonna happen during altcoin season, when Bitcoin basically cools off and a lot of the profits go into altcoins like Dogecoin. So this is what I'm looking at here, and we still have some room to come down. This is why I'm saying be patient, because if we follow the last pre-halvings, Dogecoin and other altcoins aren't going to really start moving crazy like this until a month or two after the halving. That's the key thing, 1 month or two after the halving. And having a dump into the halving, that's going to be another bullish signal, believe it or not, because with that dump, right, following this the halvings from before, that dump, Bitcoin is going to start to recover again a month or two after the halving, which then we're going to have the altcoin season to follow later. But what you got to understand is Bitcoin is going to be the first mover. And Bitcoin being the first mover, going to 89K, 90K, 100K, Dogecoin, the Bitcoin Dogecoin chart is going to keep downtrending until possibly this could be the bottom, right? We might have like a double bottom here until we come into altcoin season. Bitcoin cools off and all the profits go into Dogecoin and a lot of coins, and that's when we have something like that. Okay, so we're gonna have something like this eventually, and every single thing is working perfectly in timing. Like, it's amazing how the timing of everything is working perfectly. This bull run, right? And what I mean by that is we have the recovery. So we have this is Dogecoin here. We have the bear market, okay? Bear market downtrending. We have the recovery. So this I talked about this during the bear market. I said when Bitcoin starts moving up and your altcoin doesn't do something kind of like this, where it has like this recovery from the bear market, you know, accumulation phase here, and that's not a good sign, okay? Because you want to see a recovery. The recovery is basically signaling to you that I'm alive, right? This coin is alive. Like, I am alive and I am getting ready to go parabolic very soon during altcoin season. That's what it signals to you, that this small recovery here. And Dogecoin had it, along with many other coins. Some coins had it better, like Shiba Inu, right? Shiba Inu had a bigger recovery, but some coins are still kind of struggling right here, trying to break out of it. So that's what I would watch if you're invested in other coins. But Dogecoin is looking very bullish. Like I said, watch that Bitcoin Dogecoin pair. Have this key level here. This is the key level here that you guys want to have. You look at it right there, that's the key level. And basically, that's going to affect Dogecoin going up a month or two after the halving. Okay, so we are exactly at that 0.5. I keep telling you, I keep stressing to you that 0.5 is key, and we're sitting right on top of it, right? We're right on it. This is the key here, where the battle between the bears and the bulls is happening, is the 0.5, which is around 19 to 20 cents. And once Dogecoin confirms that 0.5 as support, that's when it's going to start moving very fast. Okay, and again, guys, everything is falling into place. The timing is perfect so far, with Bitcoin and a lot of altcoins starting the recovery phase, right? And then the next phase is going to be very parabolic, but we got to be patient, and we got to wait for the halving, which is going to be in a couple weeks. And do not be surprised if we dump into the halving, because that would be very bullish, to be honest. And I hope we do. I hope we do, because I want to prolong the all-time highs into 2025. I really do. But right now, with Bitcoin's price action, it just the top is going to be in this year, as of right now. It just is, possibly October through December. So in that window between October and December, if Bitcoin is at 150, 170, and you see Dogecoin above $2, above $1.60, that might be the top. I'm just gonna be straightforward with you guys. That might be the top, and I keep stressing, it's going to feel like it's not the top, and it's going to feel like we're gonna go higher into 2025. Do you understand what I'm saying? We might start dipping possibly in December, and then people are going to be telling you, buy the dip, do not worry, we're going to go higher into 2025. And then 2025 comes and we have the bear market. We keep dipping more and more. So I just want to keep you guys level-headed and keep you guys prepared for this, okay? Because it's trading. Like I said, trading is scenario. It's situational based. I'm never gonna tell you, oh, this is gonna happen 100%, because it's basically, if this happens, then that happens. If that happens, then this happens. So it's all situational based, and I'm gonna keep you guys here updated on everything regarding the crypto markets and Dogecoin especially. But Dogecoin is looking very healthy. Oh, and I just forgot before I end the video, this is another key resistance uptrend here that I'm watching for Dogecoin. You can see that ever since the beginning of Dogecoin, this is gonna be what I look. If we go up to it this month, which I don't believe we will, is around 62 cents. Next month, 65. So whenever Dogecoin makes contact with this, I believe there's gonna be some decent amount of resistance for sure. So I would also put this in your chart, okay? Because I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some heavy resistance. And to be honest, it might be a look. To be honest, based on the timing on this uptrend, you can see right here that we might hit it when it's all-time high, which would make sense because Dogecoin is gonna have some resistance at its all-time high, especially hitting this uptrend. So if that were to happen, it would happen here in August. So Dogecoin might be up here to its all-time high, 70 something cents in August, also hitting this uptrend, and that might be a big, decent pullback before going higher. So this is what I would watch here. We can have something like that. Okay. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Watch out for my next Dogecoin update video. I'm probably doing this like every other day. I think it's better every other day, unless like Dogecoin does something crazy the next day. But yeah, thank you for the likes, thank you for the comments, and join the free Telegram, the Cryptopolis. The Discord is coming this month, so don't worry. But thank you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next video or live stream. Peace.